Corner, sir.
What's up, bro?
I like those purple pants, bro. Those are fire, bro. My man pulled up with the purple pants, bro. He was already the GOAT, bro. You already the GOAT for picking me up, but damn.
I always wanted to wear Prince pants, bro.
Dude, you fucking killed it. Good morning, y'all. I'm on my way to pick up the car in Delaware and bring it back to New York. Thank God.
Thank God. First, we're going to the Cozy Corner.
Oh, yes. We're gonna go get breakfast. It's what, 7 in the morning right now?
7:16.
7:16 in the morning, bro. So me and Marty about to get some breakfast, and then we're gonna head back to Delaware, where the car is resting and waiting for me to pick up. So
Time to get some cream chip beef.
that's right. Cozy Corner.
Man.
What you getting?
Dude, definitely some cream chip beef and maybe a waffle.
Cream chip beef.
Only thing got those American waffles.
Oh, like the Waffle House waffles.
Flat waffles.
Yeah.
Flat waffles.
I'm excited. We gotta walk through this. How do you call it? Like this hedge of rain before we get into the door. And there looks like there's security outside as well.
Nah, he was just taking a break. He was just taking a break from the break, bro, because he's got trust to this shit.
Look, he's running now too. He's like, F this. All right, Cozy Corner. Let's do this. Hello. Yeah. Thank you. It does smell good.
It smells good. I didn't bring my wallet.
I got you. You pick me up, bro. Yeah. This looks good right here.
Anywhere that's set up.
Okay.
Every table set up.
I picked the one that's not set up.
Happens a lot.
We're gonna have to send this puddle right here on the outside. At least if my car breaks, we get footage of it. Holy shit, dude. We literally was planning. Oh, look at that R8. That's pretty sick. Roll out the window. That's waterproof. We literally was planning for like 10 minutes trying to figure out how to get out of that parking lot. There was like 3 different exits, all of them with like 4-inch puddles. It was up. Oh, we made it. How deep was that shit when I ran through?
Yo.
Is this too?
No. This is good. This is good. Oh, maybe not.
And I don't have no windshield wipers. That was, yeah, we were trying to leave Napa. Of all places, we were trying to leave Napa for some windshield wipers. And we was basically stuck in the puddle. Dude, I had to like go outside like 4 times trying to figure out the measurements of the puddle. How bad did it look out the window?
It was deep.
Yeah.
It's like a wave.
Yeah. Holy shit. Alright, well, that's what's up. We made it. I'm running off of 2 hours of sleep. This is much needed. I had to stop a few times to tuck in this fender liner over here. It kind of ate up on my tire. But it ate up on the tire. I keep having to take the fender liner and tuck it in, and it's getting pretty annoying. I'm definitely gonna have to address that situation when I'm back home, but for now I just need to work on getting home safely. I've been hot as because I don't have AC. I got functioning air, but it's not cold, charged up AC, so I'm hot rolling with the windows down, and yeah, man, I'm rolling off for 2 hours of sleep. I got my Red Bull. Hopefully that keeps me up and I don't fall asleep and fall off on the side of the road. But yeah, definitely want to go over some things with you guys, but for now I'm just gonna work on getting home, getting back to the city, and getting this car safe. Shit, it feels so dope. Full on drift car, cause this clutch grabs. Everybody look at me like I'm crazy. Got the ABS on light, we already know about that. Welded diff. Engine service light, I brought it, this code reader, to see what that is about, but it might just be that same code as last time when it's like failed memory. What's it called? The PCM, failed memory. It's gonna get hard, try not to kind of ride the clutch a little bit, because in the Acura it's like luxurious, you know, you can just ride it. It's like the clutch is smooth, you can ride it if you have to, and this one you just have to let it grab. Everybody watching me, so it's kind of hard to focus. There go the boy again, another cop. The cop pulled out of his hiding spot, and now we're at the red light. He's behind the car next to me though. He's not in front, behind me, so that's interesting. Most likely he wants to get me. I mean, I'm in a sports car, so won't be surprised. Yeah, that's where we at. I'm not going to videotape. What's up, bro? Hey, man, how you feel? It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Thank God. But I keep messing up the shifts in front of all these people because I'm trying to hold the camera, vlog, and you know, pay attention to anything that might be new with the car. So let me try to figure this out.